And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create Camel burgers. And these ones are going to be Moroccan style. All you need is your patties, which you can create yourself with ground camel meat. This one has been prepared and refrigerated for a little bit. You can do that too. Salt and pepper, lettuce, tomato, clearly deboned. Some cheddar cheese, get a good one. And you're going to need what they call in Morocco Taza Ketchup. And I'm going to make it homemade. And for the Taza Ketchup, get a couple tomatoes, maybe 3, some honey, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and cinnamon. So, go find. You can go sea salt if you can, have the good quality one. I'll go find a little bit of pepper. Repeat the same on the other side. Using my clean hand, of course. That's simple. So let's cut the tomatoes to manageable size. They have to be ripe, by the way, ripe. Just cut them to manageable size. I like to use the bread knife because this is the appropriate knife to cut tomatoes. You don't have to be fancy. You're just cutting them so they're easy to put in a food processor. Easy to manage, you know what I mean? Let me cut this out the way. And I'm using 2 tomatoes for this. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the tomatoes inside the blender. Just the tomatoes, nothing else. Nothing more, nothing less. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pulse them. I'm going to make like pulp. Like, just pulse them. Okay? That's simple. See how they look? See? That's it. I have a small cast iron pot. You can use any type of pan, actually. And what I'm going to use, I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going North African. Just a little bit, not a lot. It's about a tablespoon. I'm going Tunisian, but you can go any type of extra virgin. I just go North African, like regional. Heat it up. A couple notches above medium for now. Make sure you have a teaspoon measurement. And what I'm going to do, time to add the tomato. See how it looks? I don't need the whole thing, but it comes handy, right? And I'm going to add some cinnamon. It's about 3 teaspoons, maybe 4, 3 to 4. This is ground cinnamon, good for your health. 1, let's make it 3. 2 might do, but let's make it 3. 3. Don't mix things up. I'm making that ketchup, huh? Actually, let me put the other stuff here. Now what I'm going to do is, let's put a little bit of salt for taste. Some pepper for taste. Let this baby cook. And now it comes the magic. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm going to add some honey. It's about maybe 3 or so teaspoons. I'm making it sweet, okay? You can add up to 4. See how nice it looks? I'm going to put this on medium, maybe a little bit below medium. And I'm going to let this cook for about 6-8 minutes. Okay? Let me put a little bit more honey. Give it that sweetness, right? 4 teaspoons. And just let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes, okay? About 8-9 minutes later, maybe 10, it's ready. Not too thin, not too watery, not too thick. Something in between. Turn the heat off, you can get it out. Whatever you don't use, you can refrigerate you for something else later. This is your Taza Ketchup, Moroccan ketchup, Taza Ketchup. Just a tiny bit of oil. Staying with extra virgin. Just a tiny bit, you don't need a lot. It's going to become a little bit smoky, unfortunately. What you do is, this is lean meat, you cannot go too crazy. Medium high. Just cook it, right? That's simple. It's about a couple minutes later. Turn it, split that baby. I want to make sure this baby are cooked. Optional touch, you can put a little bit of garlic, just a tiny bit. It's optional for me. I just love garlic, sorry. But you don't have to. You don't go too crazy with toppings and stuff when you cook burgers. Doesn't matter what kind of burgers. So after I cook them, just put in a paper plate. Let them rest for a little bit. And let's start putting this baby together. Let's start with the bread. So, simple, right? Some lettuce. Yep. Tomato. I'm going to put some of the Cheddar cheese. This is a very nice one. Actually, Australian, to be honest with you. But any Cheddar cheese will work. Aged Cheddar cheese is better. Sharp, even better. That's good, you know. Meat. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that a beauty? And now, a little bit of my Taza Ketchup. See? Just put a little bit on top. And here you have it.
الله الله يا بابا وسلام عليك يا